Alright, let's be honest. Your mobile game, it's probably fun for about 5 minutes, then poof, uninstalled faster than you can save freemium mechanics. But don't worry, today I'm going to be revealing the secrets to building addictive mobile games. And no, it's not just make a good game. That would be way too easy. Here's the reality. People aren't downloading your game because they love you. They're downloading it because it scratches some deep primal itch in their brain. And if you don't know how to hijack that itch, someone else will. So today we're breaking down the psychology, the mechanics, and the sneaky little tricks that top developers are using to keep their players coming back, sometimes against their better judgment. First, let's talk about the dopamine loop. You know that feeling when you check your phone, even though you just checked it like 2 minutes ago? That's dopamine playing tricks on you. And guess what? The top mobile games exploit this exact mechanism. Here's how it works. Action, reward, anticipation. You make a move in a game, action, you get something flashy in return, reward, your brain starts craving more, anticipation. Rinse and repeat until, congratulations, you've just been playing 2 hours without even realizing it. And you thought you were in control. That's funny. Now let's talk about the just one more trick. If a game is really good, it never lets you leave feeling done. It always leaves you thinking, just one more round, and that isn't by accident. Developers use things like energy systems because waiting for lives to refill is apparently entertainment. Daily rewards because nothing says healthy habit like feeling obligated to log in. And near wins. Have you ever noticed how slot machines almost land on a jackpot? Yeah, game devs also use that tactic. Oh, so close. Might as well try again, right? No? Well, here's a push notification to change your mind. Moving on to social traps and fear of missing out. Do you know what's worse than being addicted to a mobile game? Having your friends addicted too. But from a game dev perspective, that is gold. Games use social pressure to keep you hooked. Things like leaderboards, because being one rank away from your friend is somehow life or death. Limited time events, because FOMO is a stronger motivator than actual fun. And guilds and clans, because if you leave, your entire team suffers, and that's on you. Hope you like guilt tripping your players, because that's what works. Now let's talk about where monetization meets psychology. Look, I get it. Games gotta make money, but the best monetization models don't just ask players for money. They tempt them into it. So how do they do this? Number 1, loss aversion. Tactics like, oh no, you almost just got that rare item, but it's locked. So maybe just spend a little bit more money. Number 2, fake currency, because 300 gems feels way less than $5. And number 3, personalized offers, like, hey, we noticed you like this type of upgrade, here's a limited time offer just for you. And before you know it, boom, you're $50 deep into a free game, questioning your life's choices. Alright, so now you know the secrets. Dopamine loops, just one more tricks, social pressure, and some very persuasive monetization. The question is, how do you use all of this ethically? Because let's be real, if your game is too manipulative, people will catch on, and nobody likes a game that feels like it's playing them. But if you find the right balance, you're not just making a game, you're creating an experience people want to come back to. So what's next? You could go back to making games that nobody plays, or you could apply what you learned and start building something that people can't put down. And before you leave, grab my free ebook 6-Figure Game Blueprint, which breaks down exactly how I've built successful mobile games that generate real income. Link in the description. So smash the like button, subscribe if you want to see more of this type of content. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and peace out.